In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you guys how you can change your password in your AliExpress account just in few minutes. This will be an easy and quick tutorial, so let's get started. So to change your password for your AliExpress account, it's super easy. All you have to do is you just need to open your AliExpress account like this. As you can see, go to your home page and click over here, okay, and scroll down and click on, let me show you, scroll down, click on setting like this, and you will be directly in this page. As you can see, all you have to do next is you just need to scroll down. You should see here personal information, okay, and you should see security information, add email address, change password. So click on change password, okay, like this, and here you go. All you have to do next is you just need, let me show you, so let's just wait for a few seconds, and here you go. You need to add your email address, and after that you can change your password, okay. It's super easy and simple. Thank you so much for watching. That's how you can change password in your AliExpress account, and see you in my next videos.